Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Big Mike and this is BZ Cooks. So today we're going to be making a southern delicacy. Today we're making hot water cornbread. Some of you may know it as corn po and some of you may know it as Hoecakes.
Hoes got to eat too, right?
Right, you're right.
That's right. Hoes got to eat.
So with that being said, you're going to see that this dish is crunchy, crispy, absolutely irresistible, and to boot, it's going to be super easy to make. So with that being said, guys, let's get right into the ingredients and the cook. All right, so here we go. The ingredients are really super simple. We have 2 cups of yellow cornmeal, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So what you have to do is just pretty much add all your ingredients, and then we're gonna add our hot water. So check it out here. Our cornmeal, sugar, our salt. Get our hot water. All right, got some boiling water here. This is about 2 cups. I'm gonna add half of it in here right now. We're just gonna whisk this together. The consistency depends on how you want it. So you can add more water or less water. But what I wanna be able to do here is make little cakes out of it. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Just a tad bit. So on my stove, I've got a cast iron skillet. I put enough cooking oil in there. Now you don't want to use olive oil because you don't want to take away from the taste, and it doesn't have a high viscosity when it comes to holding heat. You want to use vegetable oil or canola oil. And you want to get that up to about 350, 375. And to add some flavor to it, if you have some bacon grease handy, add a little bit of bacon grease to it. All right, this is all mixed up. So next we're gonna make some hoe cakes. So get some of your mixture here. And you want to make little cakes about this big. You don't want them to be too big. I'm not a perfectionist, so if you want them perfectly round, you can make them perfectly round. Some people make them this big. It just really all depends. So depending on how big you make them, it's gonna tell you how many you're gonna have, obviously. All right, so we've got our cornmeal here. We're just gonna, now this is canola oil, and I've got a little bit of bacon fat in here too for extra flavor. It's hovering at about 375, 350. I'll take our cornmeal, drop it in. So you want to cook these until they're nice and golden brown. You can be the judge. It's going to take about 5 or 6 minutes. And if you have one of these, you can get it out with this. It allows the oil to run through it so it's not so greasy when you take it out, or you can get a spatula and take it out. All right, when they are done cooking, just remove it, transfer it to a plate with a paper towel, get all the excess grease on it. Okay guys, so as you can see, easy as pie. So as usual, we're gonna taste our ingredients for science. I got a little bit of butter. I've got a little bit of syrup on here. So hey, in the comment section below, let me know what you would pair this with. Some people would eat these plain. I would eat these plain with collard greens or any type of southern dish this could basically take the place of your normal cornbread that you would use. So let's get right into the taste for science. Nice and crunchy on the outside. And on the inside, nice and fluffy. Man, that butter and that syrup, very good combination. So guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. Hit this button over here to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment, share this video with all your friends and family. And if you want to see more videos, click over here so you can see what else we have on our channel. So guys, this is Big Mike with BZ Cooks. We're signing out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you all are staying safe out there. Stay home. I'm one to talk. I'm always leaving the house, but I need to stay home more, because so you guys do the same. Peace.